So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our rally spot. Once you open up rally spot, you click March. First things, you put in the target destination. In this case, we're going to use 100, which is the capital of Friesland. You're going to move your mission to attack, in this case, and you're now going to select your hero. Once these two have been selected, you'll notice down on the bottom here, there will be an arrival time down in the bottom right-hand corner. In this case, it says it's arriving at 2:31:21. Of course, by this time, you've already done your clock sync time. Check the other video to see how to do that. And you've synced your clock to match the Ebony clock so that your timing will match everybody else in the alliance. So now that is your arrival time right there when you're going to arrive. Now, to get the true arrival time, you're going to need to add in troops. So let's say in this case, we're going to add in 85,000 archers. We're going to add in 10,000 warriors. You'll notice that each one of these have a different speed. You'll notice right there, warrior speed, down the bottom left-hand corner of the button that just opened, is speed of 200. You'll notice that pikeman speed is speed of 300. Archer speed 250. So each one of these attack warriors has a different speed. Now we're going to throw in just 100 of those, just for example, and just 100 pike. Now what we've got here is we've got a trip time to this destination of 2 hours and 11 minutes and 36 seconds. So this means from this clock, it will arrive at 4:44 my time, and 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. So let's say assume now we want it to arrive at 5:54 or 5:55. Let's say 5:55 is going to arrive. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 hour on up here in the camp time. That moved it to 5. Now we're going to add 10 minutes on. That moved it to 45. Now what we're going to do right now is if we want it to arrive at 5:55, the second the clock hits 5:55, you're watching it now, it's going 43, 44, 45, 46. We're now going to click the OK button the minute that hits. So away we go. It now hits 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, hit. And away we go. And that is now heading off to 100, 100. Now I'm going to recall those troops right now because they're actually heading off to attack someone, which we don't want them to attack. So when you want to send out your next set, you repeat the same thing all over again. Put in your 100, 100 all over. Watch the clock down on the bottom. It's exactly the same way. Put in your hero. Put in your troop amounts. And away you go. As soon as the time hits what you want, you add in the exact time. So in this case, we'd shorten it if we wanted to arrive at 5:55. Put in the warriors, so it's exactly the same there. So if we wanted to arrive at 5:55, we'd now drop the time down even lower because it's got a lower hero. We'd add up the time until it hits the correct time we want it to hit. So there it's 5:52. So we turn it now to 43 minutes. 5:55:30, so it's just a little short, so we go 42 minutes. So now I put in 42 minutes until it says 5:54. The second it hits 5:55 again, we're going to click it again. And that's how you use camp time.